picked up the InDeflate 4-tire deflation kit. Got it hooked up to my 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. Just gonna see how long it takes to drop down to 20 psi. Alright, so I have the UpDownAir EGOI air compressor that's connected to the battery. I haven't connected it to the 4-tire connector yet because it says to hook it up after the machine is on. So I don't drain my battery. I'm actually going to start my car. Turn on the compressor, see if it works. Okay. It's good. Quick pause. So now I got the compressor hooked up to the gauge. Just gonna see how long it takes to fill up to 30 psi. I'm actually gonna monitor it from the inside of the car.
Coming up to just about a minute since I started this late. So 25 on there, let's see what the gauge shows. Coming up on just about 2 minutes. So 30, once the other ones touch 30, then I'll turn off the car and see right around 3 minutes. I think it's going to be, let's do 32, about 32 psi. The compressor sounds pretty good. There's 1. Alright, let's see. 32. The system just getting caught up. Alright, so that's where we are.
Alright, around 32, and just a note, this hose is freaking hot. Yes, this hose is hot. So just keep that in mind when you're running this one.